What's up guys, the Hackspot here, and today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make Geometry Dash even more fun with custom texture packs and also custom music. It's so cool. Let's just go ahead and jump right into this mod. Alright, so let's get started. First thing you want to do is open up your internet browser, click on the link that'll be down below in the description. Make sure that it does open up inside Safari app, not YouTube. If it does open inside the YouTube app, top of the Safari icon, wherever it is. But you guys can see we do get some advertisements and... Alright, but anyways, let's go ahead and just tap on the X right here, and this is where we're going to be. Now, if it asks, like, if this website is not safe, do you still want to proceed? Just go ahead and do that. It is perfectly safe. I've tested multiple apps, and I actually know the developers, so it's a great app, and it does work. I like the interface a lot. Look at that. You got, like, a cat and a rocket ship, and then you got this other animation right here. You got top apps right there. You can see that, too. And anyways, we can go to games right here, and you guys can see they have Bike Race plus, so a modded bike race, so you got all the bikes unlocked and stuff like that. And you got Geometry Dash Gamma, so this is a texture pack, and there are so many more. So I'm gonna go ahead and install this one. I'm gonna do is tap on Get right here. We'll get this pop-up, just tap on Install. And while we're waiting, let's go ahead and install some more right here. So I think they're right here. All right. Actually, where did they go? All right, let's go into our home screen. Let's see where it's installing. There it is. Alright, so Geometry Dash, this is a texture pack. There's also a Zombieland one and an XXX Tentacion one as well. So let's go back over here. Okay, yeah, I knew I wasn't crazy. It's just like moving the entire page. So let's go ahead and reload it if it does that for you too. Again, just do the same thing. Wait for it to fully load up. Let's go back over to games. And now it seems to be working. So again, there's XXX Tentacion. I'm going to go ahead and download this one too. You can download all of them at the same time, which is pretty cool. There's the Zombie Dash one, which is a really cool texture pack. And let's go ahead and install that as well. So now we have 3 different versions of Geometry Dash installing. I guess we can install one at a time. Let's go and wait for this one first, see which one this is. And it is, okay, XXX Tentacion Dash. So I guess we can only have one at a time. Before I tested it, and I was able to have multiple. Maybe it's just with certain ones. Let's go ahead and install a Zombie Dash and see if it overlaps or this installs another application of Geometry Dash. So hit cancel so it's already installing. And let's go and see what it does. Alright, so we're installing, and the download speeds are pretty quick, and looks like we got 2 of these. So if you want the other one, which I'll go back over, actually it was in games, at the top right there, GD Gamma, the Gamma texture pack, then that one I unfortunately cannot install at the same time. So let's go ahead and try out the Zombieland one first. So there's right there. Of course, when I go and tap on it, it brings this up. This one's by China. Tap on cancel, open up settings, and what you want to do is tap on general, scroll until you find profiles and device management. And, okay, I just burped. Excuse me. All right, let's go tap on China. There are the Geometry Dashes. Let's go and tap on Trust so it can open them up. And let's go and open up the Zombieland one first. So here we go. And I'm going to turn up the volume. Look at this, guys. It's a completely custom modded Geometry Dash, and it's so fun. So you can also go and choose a character right here. There's a bunch that you guys could choose from. Let's just do the stock one. And let's go ahead and play through this a little bit, show you guys what this is like. So this is again a Zombieland texture pack. You even got custom music. I can't really see the little spikes as easily, but I'm still killing it. And it looks like the music just stopped. Okay, this is creepy. Okay, all right, but we're still going through it. I'm not gonna die. I'm still playing good on camera because this game is still pretty easy to play on camera. Oh, right, I spoke too soon. But yeah, guys, you guys see this? It's pretty cool. I'm gonna go ahead and go back over here. Let's go try another level. Back on track. You guys can see it's kind of different. The music is even kind of different. So it's really cool. This is Zombieland one. Now let's go to the XXX Tentacion one. And this one is just the music. So you guys can see it's already playing XXX Tentacion. I'm going to play it because I'm going to probably get copyrighted. And you guys can see it's not playing the music right now. So what I gotta do is tap on the top right, and there's that option right there, and it will start playing XXX Tentacion music, and also add check markers. So every time you die, you could disable or enable check markers, so you can start from that spot where you died if you want to do that, or you can turn that off if you do like difficulty. But again, you got those options at the bottom. You guys see it's playing Sad by XXX Tentacion. I'm not gonna play too much through this one because I don't want to get copyrighted, because I'm sure I will get copyrighted for that one, so that one's pretty cool though. Now we're back over to Safari on Eon Hub. Let's go into the Geometry Dash Gamma one. I'm going to tap on Get again, hit install, and let's see again if it will install a third app or if it will overwrite the other one. So it's waiting again, and looks like we're installing, and looks like it's going to install a third one again. So maybe if you install in the order that I showed you guys, it'll work, or No, that one's not working. Okay, let's go ahead and just delete both of these so I can show you guys that one. Delete, because it's not showing up. I'm not sure if which one to overwrote. So let's go back over here and get install. And let's go and wait for it to install again. All right, and I'm actually really surprised by the download speeds. These apps actually download really quick. Maybe it's because my new Wi-Fi. I don't know. Let's go tap on this again. Again, it's by the same profile. I have to go trust it again and hit trust. And here we go. Oh, this is dope. All right. So there's a... Okay. Woo, even the... Okay, hold on. I don't think the music's playing, so I gotta tap on this icon again. Oh. Check markers, so again, it can start from there if I die. Watch. Okay, this kind of hard. Come on, jump, jump, jump. Jump! Okay, whew, okay, I'm gonna disable that for now. Actually, disable. Okay. I'll actually play now. Whew, okay, I'm barely on the step. Okay. Spoke too soon. And let's see if different ones have different music. So, oh, I like that sound effect. Music. So again, we can do the same music, and that's pretty cool too. So the Zombieland one is actually really cool too. I like that one a lot. But anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed these custom Geometry Dash texture packs. If you did, please be sure to smash that like button, and also be sure to get subscribed for tons more content. I've got so many more exciting videos to come. Hopefully I don't disappoint you guys again. I know you guys didn't really like that COD hack. It works, but I know many people are disappointed because that's their favorite game, and I understand. But yeah, guys, again, hope you enjoyed this hack spot. Have a great rest of your day, and as always, peace out.
Yeah. Look, lately I went missing with no permission, it's part of it. I've been working harder than competition from start of it. Now they looking at me, I see them all through the rear view. Kill yourself to get your spot, then they die to be near you. They think that I made it, cause I made it past them. They were never the target, my target is past